access with bus. 4FC Crops will be here in 8 minutes. So here's a little story about the Killingbeck. When I first heard the name Killingbeck, I don't know why my brain was wired to think that maybe first someone called Becky was actually killed here or something. I don't know why I thought that way, but I had to do a little research and I found out that Killingbeck has a wonderful history, and one of it is that Killingbeck is a district of East Leeds, West Yorkshire, England, named after the Killingbeck family, historical local landowners, and is situated between Seacroft to the north, Crossgates and the Whitrix to the east, Gipton to the west, Haltermoor to the south, Halton to the southeast, and Osmanthorpe to the southwest. So when I was taking this trip, I saw there was a lake. It was flowing. I've not seen a lake since I came to UK. This was the first time I saw that. And one of the interesting thing about the Killingbeck history that I would like to share briefly is that the Yorkshire 100 rules for 1274 and 1275 records the area as owned by the Knights Templar of New Sam, the gift of water, the Killingbeck. Killingbeck is not spelled as it is right now, which is Killingbeck. What it was known back then is Killingbeck, which is Keiling Beck, Beck. So for some reasons it was changed to Killingbeck, but I really don't know why. But later record shows that the Killingbecks of Chappell Allerton were local landowners named John Killingbeck, who was a major of Leeds in 1677, and his son was Vicar of Leeds from 1619 to 1716. The Killingbeck estate was situated north of the York Road and east of the Wickbeck, including what is now known as the Killingbeck Cemetery, the fields, the shopping center, and all that has to do with the Killingbeck. So the estate was also Manston Hall on the south side of York Road, which is now the site of the Seacroft Hospital. And Killingbeck has a population of about 6,436. That was the last that was recorded in 2011. This has been updated. So I had fun. I just walked, though it was freezing. This morning it was -1 degrees. It's nothing compared to the others I've seen, but today was just okay for the weather, and I had to share what I witnessed. Just a brief view of nature, how it is there in the Killingbeck. This place is quite really, it's not so, how would I call it? It's a cool place, it's calm, it's where you can go and relax. But the interesting thing is, it's very, very quiet, and at first it was scary for me. For where I'm coming from, this kind of lonely places will actually make you thinking otherwise, but here is kind of secure. I don't know, it feels secure. Going there, I watched the environment. There are some there as well, still taking a stroll in the fields. So it was an amazing experience, and I'm happy I did that today. This is correct.
dog.
So I'd like to ask a question. Killingbeck. The name Killingbeck, or let's just say Killingbeck itself. Is there something that comes to mind when you look at the name? Does anything kind of creepy comes to your mind? Because I was thinking that was the only one who felt that way. But it's cool knowing the history. I had to do a little research and I felt quite comfortable after I did. So if you feel the same way or might have maybe felt, wow, what kind of name is this, Killingbeck, and why would this be named like this? Whatever your thoughts are, you can feel free to comment that in the comment section below, and let us all see what we are seeing from our different perspectives.
Okay, I've seen the
So,
dog.
general description about Killingbeck. The area is small and its borders difficult to define, but runs along York Road, east of Whitebeck Valley Road. From the junction north to York Road is a large area of fields and woodlands, Killingbeck Fields, which is where I'm currently in. And this is a local nature reserve. As you can see from this video, it is really a local nature reserve. Immediately east of this is a Killingbeck Retail Park, including an Asda superstore. We're going to get to that point. That was why I took a bus back home, and an Acom Business Park, which was where I was heading to, the Unit 13 Killingbeck. So on the south side of the York Road, up to this point is housing, which is in LS14 and LS15 postcode, and also in the electoral ward. Then to the east of the Brity Park is the Oak Tree Lane, which leads to the newest housing development on the site of the former Killingbeck Hospital. I didn't go to that area or region, but I'm just trying to give a view of what this Killingbeck is. Currently I'm actually at Killingbeck Fields, which is, like I said, a local nature reserve. As you can see, this is it. It's cool, right? And imagine walking here alone, and there's a few times I've come to this place, you can barely see people. It's not as if they don't use the road, they do, but it's rare, but it's actually a safe path. And at first you might be scared to want to walk through this alone, but as far as I've done that twice or so, I think it's safe. It's no cause for alarm. So this is, like I said, a local nature reserve, and it has a lot. Yeah, I saw so many squirrels. Aside that, I couldn't think that there are birds chirping. It's kind of a fun way to just clear your head and relax from all the school stress and everything that's bothering you. So
this is a little snow. It hasn't snowed heavily yet. Still okay, but still freezing. Weather is -1 out there. Okay, let me capture this. How far I've walked. I'm still going. I'm heading towards this. It says public footpath. freezing. This is cool, real cool. Been here. Okay, so I'm getting to somewhere warm. I can barely feel my nails. I can feel my fingers. I'm going to cross here. Okay, I've gotten to the bus station and heading back home.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment your thoughts about this video, and please subscribe if you haven't yet to stay up to date for more. Until next time, stay hydrated always.